je obi bia de ba Emadek TV so nyame enhira obi bia okoso ahwe Emadek na or subscribe to your YouTube channel na dani day yina no Emadek TV your friends say cool no enyini na ye kese mesre mo monkoso na mo hwe Emadek monkoso na mo subscribe na mo share emai nene no me ba be address one or two issues ni hina ne say minua nature aye Akete Mpeninsem new manager no interview. Now, interview, me, there are so many things okay. But where I'm interested in, maybe I can want some, baby, or casa efa me home. Baby or casa farm me home. Na video no I say I'm a share video no. In some hour then okay. But before I say about video no, as some person me catch minua our manager Akete Mpeninsem say, bra, me Emadek me in town. I don't have a problem with you. What do you say? You made mention say, and now your friend is say, me need sense of humor and a whole lot of things. Look, say you who need me no sounds na means me name. But those who know me no enemy say, me know be me disrespectful, me arrogant or whatever it is. No. You use so many words to yourself, say, oh yeah, you are so sober, and that it is because you know yourself better. It won't name it, and I mean anymore. First of all, I don't have a problem with you, say, only will be here, Juma, and I say, me say, what time be you? I'm not saying say, what time be you, on time be you. But I also attacked you based on one same be away day, okay, yeah. Ebi ana YouTube, na fena wo ban Juma no man kasa. Ebi afena wo bam. Afina wo hunum adwuma no say ne yete no na from day one. So you see I made mention say na nka wunima anka mra wo ye say wo ba adwuma nim na say wo ye say wo ba be adwuma no na ebi a wafre me nua bi you minim say there are a whole lot of things I see blah 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 na this row we dey minim say odo Akete ntinka idea bi kura na memfa mo Akete, but not to come and sit on that platform na wake kan sansem na o kan. Whether you made mention so about quote is own quote, whether you say when we get to the river we will cross next anybody na bra, for you to sit on Nature TV now what ba be kan sem because mpanyifo bi no akasa ti se ne yenso mpanyifo ne ene ya akasa no wa ba wo be kan sem no now you want peace now that wasn't the right approach. Sa wo don sababu bam Imad bra ushia me obi pijama hwe na. I just want to know ushia me a obi pijama hwe ana obi bom aso ana what will you do? You can't do anything to me. It is ansem no de fatowo me no wa anka I would rather look at the right approach. Ekwan ya mefa so a mebo akwala no, ekwan ya mefa so a mebo akwala, not to come and sit there and be threatening people. Not to come and sit there and be threatening people. Because one hour threatening me no. So watch your back. Ebi ananya me na me so me threaten me try me threaten me, but watch your back. Because ebi ana obi nso kura ejina ba bi ono so mpe wa asem sa. Se ne wo mpe ma asem no. Aye no kura na be jina me ka kire o. And look, nature, mama can say me joke and say me say one shey Emadek beba tackle. Nature me you ready say me attack who nature for any this thing. But as some person ma who nature what he say. I am responsible for my own ways. Me Emadek. Nsem bia me can be aye me nsem amaka. Enye me nua be you. Yes, it's true. Me na me manage be you. Okay, but nature you could have just said say Emadek, oh, Emadek. Not to mention Beyou'S name there, say Beyou manager, because yenji Beyou frasem we. As at that point now worker, so na ye me one sem na worker. Say I have been disrespectful to him. It's obo me di Emadek nature, you know me. Address me as such, say Emadek. And nature, you know who I am. Who him say near me. Say in some no bet now no can from one Emadek say no. And yes, I'm a me know be am so to kwaso an answer me pen to kwani but me de ne se bebia no kro no wono yemfa nto bebia no kro no wono yemfa nto enti Mr. Poku me share program ase enne mechiao no wanje so I go my way. Me no any issue. Me share program as here na me mechiao. And we will meet industry money e wono. You be share bebre. Eti me no me ye issue say bia me atwam hu atwam ne de de. Wonsam na wo kan ye ni ade nyina no. A later on no be ka say watwe ansan. Na ehun bo hia ansan ka bia wo be kan ansan. Because whatever I told you was the truth. And next time no be bet na wo channel no so na obo Emadek a wo de yibi you din film addresses as such Emadek. I am responsible for my own words. Mimi Beyou he has no influence on the things I say. Ono kwa do nya ekran kama mimi ma no nkasa. But you see, you guys are doing it in such a way say mo be pushy guy na mana be kasa. He don't want to talk. And Mr. Opoku, I equally have no problem with you. But I made say, stop threatening me. Stop saying certain things. Be na Emadek. You don't know me like the way I walk as a mimi nimo. Something I want to need me. And you want some other kind. I'm just so kasa and I want to walk on some. So don't make it look like we have an issue. We don't have issue. When was the last time I made me and I'll take my no kasa? When was the last time I made me and I'll take my no kasa? Industry I've been in this industry actively since 2011. Actively since 2011. Comfortable say ni name. Cause me know obi me know obi anya issue and I say whatever it is. Chini Jonas was my best friend Kuchi. Because the time I need zombies. Star Junction Santase. I've been with Chini Jonas or I've known Chini Jonas from 2012 up to 2000 somewhere 19 or quite a free time now yentem now we're very close. Anytime we be sunya ni bia no sunya Jonas ehumi a on to me nko. And we know each other. We've been in this industry for so many years. But me know bia me ko gina be kasa na me can we na what I know. I know so many things in this industry, even in this YouTube business. How many times na mo tese ma be gina bonti am be kasa. There's so many things. YouTube, they have a problem with it. I am the one who sometimes solve their issues for them. And so how many times do you hear me talking about these things? I want you to focus on Akete Mpeninsem Beyou'S to talk of say and Beyou na den. Look, let me tell you, Sankawu eye na Beyou o shedem. I don't know one interview nkofo bebre na shedem nkofo shedem a mumpie ya o mo shedem obi animu. I don't know. You called Beyou because he was trending. At that time, he was trending. Beyou was trending at that time. Beyou was trending at that time. Into our friend, no. That was why you called him. He was trending. It was not like now or Bia. He was trending. A lot of people called him. And you also took it as an opportunity to call him so that you come to your platform. So he rather even came to make you big on the platform. So stop speaking the vice versa. He rather came to the platform to make you big. Opa kokoshe that interview now and the year and views amonya. He rather came and a lot of people were commenting and saying all those things because of Beyou. We love Beyou. So he rather came to that channel to make you big because he was trending at that time. He was trending. No one knew whatever it is. I don't want to mention that entity's name. With all due respect, I respect them a lot. And I have a lot of friends who works there. But I feel like so peja eba na ye adwuma. And at that time no free Beyou because he was trending. Now we gidini. And I want to say normal ye obi a gidina ye nyina ye free say ye ne be kwakọ ye interview so that we know we ask nipa no how you started, where you have got to and how you feel now no. Sa de ni bia na wo free na ne ye den. Eye. Timesro me pa chaw. I have no issue with you. Do you have no issue with you? And I think we have to be very careful with the people around us. We have to be very careful as a team and the people around us. Yes, I am Beyou'S manager. I came in to address the issue. Say, please, let a sleeping dog lies. Keep on watching Emadek TV. Me the video no to us. Mo go share the video now.
Nana Kenya Michelle. But people back could be a massa. I'm telling you on this platform. Let me warn you, brah. I am at peace with everybody but you. So me go and ask. Emadek. Hey, I'm a maker. I am so sober so down with everybody, but what? And send me a okay can show we.
Mr.
Know where you are trading.
Mr.
Bra. No, can't say mommy tia. I don't tell you. And I sebi. But for many more.
Sure.
Sebi. Manu says you know. Jimmy for now. Tibe you know.
Tristan. Oh, catch and answer.
Oh no, they go like catching you. And some now catching. No, sebi. Jimmy for kwa Mpeninsem bi oti baby. Yen I just say bufu ni bufu a. Jimmy. Oh yeah, why?
Oh, you should see Emadek cancer.
Oh, go and watch the videos. Ufri fa. Tama now tata Beyou'S say kotre. So oh.
And so we no they can.
Of course yes. I see Emadek. I say ma woni me menka. How can me tita Beyou'S? I say.
Good luck.
Bra unnim me dibra. Ana wo ka de opo. The fact is said now go
Emadek ben ya.
Emadek or even Sunyane. Ah yes.
Only Beyou'S fine.
Oh very fine. In his video cause so alternate them okay. You can be very close.
Emadek Beyou'S manager.
Onye.
Some creative problem. Me pass my mama for Akete.
Me tata Beyou'S sa kotre me pana chow me ten video to what? No me general manager. Or you don't understand that. General manager and I go begging. Oh, for what reason? Baby, I'm want to cry and me jubo. And your Mpeninsem be juma na me down. What I said, it's a poco one TV, no, and I remember the America say be am go here. Fine. But obi juma na me down no. Then you tell me say I go begging. For what reason? Are you daft?
Mr. Opoku Tristan.
Are you?
Say also you are in for peace. And
no.
Mr.
What do you want to me? Because I'm here,
Kofi, Mr.
What now? Ubodi no views kakrebi no kwasa wo you feel say you are okay.
Kofi,
Mr. What's me? But every platform I just want to warn him.
Mr.
There is no problem between me and you. And Kofa Asema na when you are
Mr.
I'm not warning you, but I'm telling you the real fact.
Kofi, Mr.
I am not threatening you either. I'm making the woman at you. Emadek, show we.
Mr.
Show we.
Kofi, Mr.
Akete, I respect you so much.
Name on Miss Pesa what you say. Shade. Why na o Pesa what you say? What you man say, right? And
I only sense of humor,
Mr.
Only respect many people.
Mr. I understand where you are coming from because Emadek, you know.
Say me pacho. I me pacho say.
Mr. Kofi, Mr. Emadek, unim say met Emadek ebi kwamba na wo me reaction cry towards this interview ebi am cry betin be fire me. But no so be fire me me fire. But nini na no emfa hwe emma. Enti the make atwon say sans someone say utimi kan say wajim also kan say
Jimmy
for ne san na mesrem eya amoma nsem be won ma ye ntwin san na Kofi mu so wo fu too much twisan na wo say what adwuma na se because no so ye kan no no so blogger what I say no so kura followers pa mesrem twisan ne ye ma asumdwie waka nsem bebre e ma we nkwa ma ye caption e ma manfo nkofa ho ne nko e me caption say Akete Mpeninsem manager fight Beyou'S manager so what I say twisan Kofi na ma unuane hu se oninu wa asumdwie efiri wa kumem mesrem mo se wa hu kwa mesrem asumdwie na ye
no platform so and send your work actually me saying I just want to be very real.
Sure.
Emadek atwasa minia atwasa
me das
why
me das
yan kamo
me das if you